big hill of hope or destination. I realized quickly when I should world was made of honest, drive a hood off me for whatever it means. And I cry sometimes and I'm lying in bed just to get it all out. It's in my head now, I'm feeling a little peculiar. So I wake up in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and get real high and I scream at the top of my lungs, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? And I try, oh my God, I try all the time for this institution.